Hello, everyone, I am Focus Sam. Today let me introduce the feature of interactive whiteboard. After turn on device, we can see this main interface. You can see here for function, whiteboard software, screen share, document, more app. In the upper left corner, we can see device temperature, wired and wireless connections. Open to check more details. Next, we'll introduce the function of the sidebar. The first two are return and home page. The third one is to view all programs. The fourth is the annotation function. We can write, can erase, can save, can share by QR code. The fifth is signal source switching. The sixth one is the toolbox. The first is the split screen feature. Select different applications to open. You can see that the screen is divided into two sides. Change the partition area by dragging the splitter bar. The second function is child lock. Password required. The default password is 2580. The third one is energy saving mode. Press the power key to restore. The fourth one is the screenshot function. Set to save it. We can find it in the memory. The fifth is recording function. We can find it in the memory too. The sixth is magnifier function. The seventh is timer function. The time can be set within 24 hours. The eighth is camera function. The last one is customize. You can add any app on here. Long time press can disappear. Brightness adjustment. Sound adjustment. The three functions below are switch, Windows, and settings. You can see that our switch is 3-in-1, which can be energy saving, Windows switch, and device switch. Switch to Windows. At this time, I found that the computer was not plugged in. The last one is Settings. Network Setting. General Settings. Theme. Background. Charge mode. Regulation settings. More. Boot app. Bootboard threshold. 5-finger gesture. Low rate setting. Audio visual. Smart function. Recognition. Security. No signal standby. Startup. Shutdown. Power button. Boot channel. Boot up playback. System setting. Input keyboard. Language. Factory reset. About system information. Local upgrade. Smart pen. System function. Time. Next, we will talk about Whiteboard software. After entering the software, we see the entire screen. First, let's look at the menu. The first function is to open the file. We open a local file. The second is to save the file. Select the page you want to save. The third one is QR code sharing. Select Sharing Page. Choose to share locally or in the cloud. The fourth one is email sending. Select Pages. Enter email information. The fifth is background setting. The sixth is other settings. The second is toolbar text. After we set enable, toolbar will show text. Next is time display. The seventh is the threshold setting. Can set write and erase area. Set pen tip area. Set pen cap area. Set to brush colors. The last one is to exit the app. Next, let's look at the brush function. The first one is a pencil. The second one is a pen. The third one is the Smart Text Recognition brush. The font will be automatically recognized after writing. The fourth one is the Pattern Recognition brush. Must be completed in one stroke. We can set the color of the brush. Next one is the eraser. Select area to wipe. Eraser of different sizes available. Clean all. Next is the toolbox. The first one is file upload. After connecting to the LAN, scan the QR code to upload. The second is split screen writing. The fourth one is a ruler. The fifth one is a compass. The sixth one is the protractor. The seventh one is a triangle ruler. The eighth one is calculator. The ninth is spotlight. Can move. Set different shapes. Set the mask color, i.e., the transparency of the spot field. Set spot size. The 10th is timer. Can set time. Next is insert function. Fifth one is shape. We can select 2D or 3D. Can select different color. RTH is website. Default website is Google. 3TH is mind map. Right. Add. Move. Delete. The fourth is the phone. The fifth one is a 4-line grid. The sixth is to insert a document. The seventh is to insert video. The eighth is to insert other signal sources. Next is the previous step, the next step. Select function. Select one word we can search on website and copy or delete. Multi-touch, single touch. Single touch can resize. Reverse. Add page. Previous page. Page view. Next page. Next, let's talk about screen share. After entering, we see the share code from the main view. Take out your phone. Open share app. Connect to the same Wi-Fi as the screen. Open share app again. Select the screen to connect. Projection. Select reverse. Can right. Can upload picture. Can upload video. Can remote control. Disconnect it. Turn on web page projection. Share setting. We can choose up to 9 devices to cast the screen. Can change additional permission settings. Moderator settings. Screen projection, control, host GUI, connection permissions. You can choose the device to cast the screen. Multiple screens can be grouped to set multiple screens as slaves of the device. Document. We can read, add, delete, and edit pictures, videos, Office file, and other files here. More, app. We can see all app and install third-party app.